Ron brought a bird box. Look at the size of the hole he's drilled. Get a fucking fox in there. He's proud of that, he is. And Sam's going to risk getting up the ladder.
No, I'm not.
No health and safety vest on, he should know better. We're working at Old Gull Docks. He'd get shot.
There's a normal ladder.
He'd get shot if he was at work. Not that he gives a bollocks.
Has he filled in the health and safety assessment?
Yeah, should have done that first. Risk assessment. Just threw that on the floor, you see, he didn't care. And then they've been debating which way it should face. Sam wanted to put it south so as the bird's cooked in the sun. Hello.
Hello, buddy. Fuck!
Ron's swearing again as usual.
Yeah, can't see what he's doing. He's walking into a
Yeah, got his piss in some.
God, they let him drive as well.
There you are, Sam.
Cloudy is out and he's got his sunglasses on as normal. I think it's because he's got hangover. He's got rings round his eyes.
He's like a polar bear.
Yeah. Sam getting technical now, putting the tyre wraps up. Don't strap your wrist to it as well.
Look at sleeve in it.
Hey.
You can tell Sam's the skilled one. Here we go.
We should be on one news at 6.
You got your spirit level? You got it level because they don't like to lay eggs.
No, the roll about.
Yeah. You don't have a level surface. COVID again. Ron's just come out, his first day free of it.
Yeah, give it to any fucker.
Yeah.
Will you want any more, Sam? Is it alright?
That'll do, yeah.
I think so.
They got a compass. It looks a bit wobbly. Oh, you've got to put the ones down the bottom yet, haven't you?
What? Do you want some more?
Hey, strap the bottom.
What's that?
Alright, are you? Looked a bit wobbly.
Just 3 more. Hey? 3 more. 3?
Lucky hell. Ron's got to give away another 3 tie wraps.
Fuck me!
He won't be eating for a week now. Hey, you got a sign to tell them it's here? That'll do a treat. Sam just trimming the little branches and tie wraps off. You can tell he likes to keep a tidy house. Mr. Perfection. Got your hair cutting Ron while he's got the scissors out. That's Sam all done, good man. Now we've got to see if the birds come in it.
That hole's too big, they're not going.